Okay, I know, it's not 2019 yet, but, well, I was bombarded by PMs, DMs, and one Twitter message since I posted my recent video, which was all about, of course, what is to come, what is happening, and just to show that, well, I am alive. And of course, I had this new display prop wall, and a lot of you guys were actually asking, how am I doing it? How are all these guns displayed on this board? Some of you, I guess, understood from the video, but a lot of you who are younger probably just wanted some idea. And of course, due to the large amount of requests, I decided I'd quickly put out a nice little video to kind of give it an overview so it answers everyone in one go. Okay, so the idea behind this prop wall display is that I wanted to ensure that everything I could do on this was portable. I needed to make sure that it could sit freely from the wall, technically, and not cause any damage to the house so I could get my bonds back at the end of the tenancy. So for the actual technical stuff in this construction, the first thing I got was 2.4 meter long boards. Those things are high, they exceed the frame, the composition of my video here, which means it gives it a nice little immersive look. It doesn't break the sense of a display wall by having the tips inside the video, and they are sitting at about 30mm to 40mm thick, which means that's a nice strong sturdy board that will lean up against the wall and not sag over time, causing damage to the wall and of course damage to my props or me if I'm standing underneath it. Then, to ensure that the props could obviously be mounted onto the board safely, I used 750mm screws. This of course accounts for the 30mm that it needs to stick into the MDF board, I can't say that word, and then the additional 50 that would need to hold the prop, and in some cases like the minigun, actually impale on it to hold that weight. In terms of color, I just simply did my best to color match the wall. If you have a wall which is a nice light color, Spanish white, beige, cream, general white, those are all lovely colors that you can easily replicate because most paint shops have that as a default color to pick from, and then you just pretty much have to get it looking as best as possible. From a distance, you'll never notice it, and you can of course color correct in post. And of course, if you have LED lights as in a diffuser pretty much between the two colors, you'll never know the difference. But a little safety tip, please, if you do follow this method and you do use long screws, be very careful because you can impale yourself on them, especially if you have little babies or kids walking around your property or your place, or you got guests who are more likely or not gonna come and look at this and just impale themselves. This is probably not a safe option. I would in that case recommend you screw into the board like that and then mount your props on. The only reason I did it in the reverse way is because having a point at the tip is far less visual than having a bunch of X's and screw heads. That's my personal preference, but I know I don't have any babies walking around that will stab themselves in the eye. Just an idiot like me who nearly did it twice installing LED lights. So yeah, relatively it's a pretty straightforward way to go about putting something up for display. Like I said, it's not going to do any damage to the current place you're in. Therefore, it's an awesome way to obviously just get what you want up in the background. It does look a bit different, of course, to the previous ones that I obviously mentioned, but I actually like the style, especially with the LED lights backlighting it. It does give it a difference. If you compare this vid to the previous one, you'll definitely know what I'm talking about. Actually, I can just turn it off. It's LEDs. Although finding the switch behind the actual prop is the difficult part. But you can see what I mean. Like right now, it looks kind of cool, and then bam, it just adds the nice little subtlety. And of course, you can change it between many different colors. So if blue isn't your thing, well, I don't know. You can have yellow. So yeah, that's it. Nice, quick, and easy. Obviously, it's nothing crazy, but it is, of course, something that if no one knew how to do it, or you were seeing it for the first time, or if you want to show this vid to your parents, if you want to get them to help you kit it up in your room, then that's awesome, and I hope that this vid was of some use to you. But on that note, guess what I'm working on now? It's going to fly through really quickly. But that's it, enough. I'm spoiling too much. I'll see you in 2019.